Hello, my name is John Mutarelli and I work in the Office of Student Financial Services here at Georgetown University. I'm here today to answer some of the most common questions regarding financial aid. Question number 1, how do I complete the FAFSA? In order to complete the FAFSA application, you'll need to go to the FAFSA website, fafsa.ed.gov. A link to this website can be found on the right-hand side under Helpful Links. First-time applicants are required to apply for an FSA PIN prior to completing the application. Please remember that the F in FAFSA stands for free, because there are for-profit websites that try to trick students into paying to complete the free application. Question number 2, what FAFSA do I need to submit? The standard academic year begins June 30th and ends the following July 1st. However, because the graduate online nursing program goes year-round, we ask incoming students to complete both FAFSA applications available upon the time of admission. We will then determine which one is more advantageous to use for your first 2 semesters. Question number 3, could my income level prevent me from qualifying for federal loans? No. Neither of the 2 federal educational loans that are offered are need-based. Therefore, you will be offered the same loans regardless of the income level of you or your spouse. Question number 4, what if I already have federal loans for my undergraduate studies? There are different aggregate limits for undergraduate and graduate students. Any undergraduate federal loans that you borrowed will count towards your overall aggregate limit. However, you will have additional loan eligibility now that you are a graduate student. So this should not prevent you from receiving the loans needed to finance your education. Question number 5, what if I already have federal loans from another master's degree? Any federal loans borrowed as a graduate student in a prior graduate degree program will again count towards your cumulative aggregate loan limit. The aggregate loan limit only factors in the federal direct unsubsidized loan funds borrowed and does not count the federal direct graduate plus loan eligibility. Therefore, if you reach the aggregate limit for the unsubsidized loan, we can still offer the maximum loan eligibility in the form of the graduate plus loan. Question number 6, what is the graduate plus loan? Do I need it, and should I apply for it? The graduate plus loan is a federal educational loan offered to bridge the gap between the unsubsidized loan eligibility offered and the total cost of attendance. Your maximum loan eligibility is determined by the total cost of attendance budget. The total cost of attendance budget includes direct expenses, which you'll be billed for, such as tuition and fees, as well as allowances for indirect expenses, such as books, living, and travel. Do I need it? The Graduate Plus loan can be used to cover any remaining tuition charges after the unsubsidized loan and anything additional that you would like to borrow for indirect expenses such as books, living, and travel. Graduate Plus loan eligibility can also be used to help cover child care expenses, health insurance, and to purchase 1 laptop. Therefore, if you have any of these additional expenses, and you let our office know, we could increase the cost of attendance to give you additional loan eligibility. Should I apply for it? Unlike the federal direct unsubsidized loan, the Graduate Plus loan does require a credit authorization that checks for adverse credit history, such as defaulting on a prior federal educational loan or filing for bankruptcy. Prospective students can apply for the Plus loan and receive a credit decision right away. Receiving a credit approval provides peace of mind, knowing that you have enough loan eligibility to not only cover tuition, but also to borrow for living if you need to. A credit approval is valid for 6 months and can be used for the first 2 semesters of financial aid awarded. If your credit is denied, applying early gives you more time to appeal or to add a credit-worthy endorser. These are just some of the common questions for financial aid, and in our next video we'll tackle some more of them. Thank you.